Hey guys, so today I'm doing a collab with Gaming with eshaw101.
Yet again, and say hello to the 3 crack dogs.
Yay!
Just messing.
This is
Max, Rasco.
they're all my dogs.
Yeah, I got this one on me, so I can't get up, guys.
Yeah,
We got Rascal.
he's got the fat one.
Rascal.
If you want to check out his channel name is Gaming with eshaw101.
And if possible, we
And
will
if you
put
wanna
the link
know-
in the description.
And if you want to know how we are here, simple. We live in the same area.
Yeah.
But anyways, so here's my dog Max. Say it
Dog.
to the camera. Say it to the camera. Oh, just that. This is a kid-friendly channel, remember?
And you said it was a do whatever you want channel too.
Okay.
Sorry, we had to cancel the 3 a.m. video.
Say that to the camera, Max.
And I got 2 dogs over here. And the camera here.
So fat and so fast.
This is Rascal. Say hello to the camera, Rascal. Rishi. Say hello to the camera. Yeah, we got Rishi over here.
They call you Jabba the Hutt for a reason. Oh, Jabba the Hutt. Ow!
Oh jeez, dog got nuts.
Nearly bit my stomach. Jesus Christ.
Well,
Oh crap! I forgot to grab the camera.
set it on the table so where it can at least see both of us.
Okay. So yeah, I'm best friends with him actually. Both go to, well, we used to go to the same school, but since I moved here, I'm switching schools.
Yeah.
But before, when I went to the new house, we lived in a different school zone.
Yeah. Too bad.
They can't see the dogs. Oh, they can't see the dogs. Give me a second.
Here we go. Here we go. I have a dog in my lap. A dog in my lap. A dog in my lap. A dog in my lap.
Keep in mind, he does not own any of these dogs. We own these dogs.
Yeah, this one's my favorite, the fat one.
Rascal. This is Max.
Kind of lazy.
Kinda
Exactly
lazy.
Like Rascal over here.
Looks exactly like Rascal.
Except younger.
The youngest in the 3. Rascal, the same type as Rascal, and the oldest in the 3, as you can see by his gray hair.
Yeah. And we forgot Reese's over
And
here.
Reese's, the middle one, and the only girl in the group.
Let me just...
The middle one and the only girl in the group.
Okay, I got her up. This is Reese's, everybody. Reese's.
Yeah.
We got a dog, and oh my god, it's a dog. Wait, I have an idea. Set the dog on Rascal. It's a dog tower.
Anyways, what's the point of this collab for?
We will be discussing ideas.
Yeah,
and
with the
apologizing for
dogs.
some video ideas we couldn't do. Like the 3 a.m. video. Now, everybody, when you're giving your idea, you will be sitting on this chair,
Okay.
and you can recline if you like.
Okay, your turn. You go first. You go first, Elliot.
All right. So we apologize for not being able to do the 3 a.m. vid.
Yeah,
He fell asleep.
obviously, because
So
it's midnight. We gotta freaking sleep, people.
I mean, we might take an idea that once it's starting to turn dark, we'll take an early take-in. And then after a bit, we'll wake up and then we'll see what time it is. It's at 3 a.m. We'll start streaming. And this is the room we're going to be streaming in. The sunroom. And at 3 a.m., we will be doing a challenge. We will be asking Alexa Alexa some serious things.
The government is listening in on this conversation.
We'll just literally use Alexa, ask some strange questions. And yeah. So
Yes, I own the Alexa because I bought it with my own money from a gift card.
So,
And I know I sound like I'm gay, but I'm not.
he's not gay.
No, we're just best friends.
Yeah.
But anyways, so this is the dog Max, this is the dog Reese's, and that's the dog Rascal.
Yeah. Meet the amazing dogs.
Us, dos, tres, cuatro, Us, dos, tres, cuatro, Nobody's here, so we can say whatever we want.
Heck yeah. But
Yeah. But anyways, so this video introducing the dogs, Max.
and I also have something very important to tell you guys about my channel.
Yeah? Okay, Elliot, hold the camera.
All right. Yeah. One sec, let me just.
But there's another way to hold it. You could just put the stick out. No, we're not using a selfie stick. Just hold it by the stick.
Well, anyways, see, I've came up with a few new ideas for my channel, and I thought I might as well start doing DIYs.
Do it yourselves.
Yep, and maybe.
Do it yourselves means you got to do stuff like Galaxy Slime, which
Yeah.
is pretty hard to make. But hey, you can try it. You can try whatever you want on the
I might even do some DIY gobble gums
What's a gobble gum?
from Black Ops 3. Or maybe I'll try the perk candies from Infinite Warfare, like Racing Stripes, Bang Bangs, Up and Atoms, Tough Enough. Yeah, I'm going to be trying all sorts of them.
Yeah. And if you want to check him out, his channel name is Gaming with
With
eshaw101.
eshaw101. Tornado Jinx, because we're under a roof. You can't speak until I say your name.
All
How?
of the windows, all of the walls are windows.
Well, not all of them. We still got normal walls.
And you can see through that.
Well, anyways, I might even do a great challenge that people have been requesting. I cannot believe I'm actually going to try doing it. I am going to spend an overnight place. Okay, I'll be doing it during around 2018 summer break. So you guys just hype for that. And I'm going to spend 24 hours in the Chick-fil-A. And it's going to be on a Sunday, so I'm not noticed. Like, I'll go in on Saturday, stay the night, and go on Monday. We'll get there, be in there on Sunday. So, you guys request what I should probably need to try and get it complete. See, I really want you guys to subscribe to my channel, leave a like. Huge shout out to my buddy AJ Games over here.
Hey! But wait, this is my channel.
Yeah.
It's my
Well,
channel.
anyway.
Why are you giving the owner of the channel a shout out? The shout out should be to you. Give me
Yeah.
the camera.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for the camera. Okay. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. Please click that red subscribe button down below. Smash that like button in the freaking face. Comment down below your opinions, ideas, or challenges you want us to do in the next video. And until next time, peace.